Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. RJYC Vlog here. So, nandito na naman tayo at tayo ay bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang ating mga attorney at mga congressman na nagsampa na ng kaso kay Tambaloslos, kay Ko Saldicopit at yung isa pa na hindi ko kilala. Kasi hindi siya important. Ayan, mag-thank you tayo sa kanila at ginawa na nila ang dapat nilang gawin para makasuhan ang dapat makasuhan at magbayad ang dapat magbayad. So, ito lang ang nakakatawa dyan kasi parang ang dating is yung kanilang impeachment is akala nila makakalusot sila. Pero alam naman ng lahat na basura yung kanilang impeachment, no? So, wag tayong nagpapaniwala sa mga nakikita natin sa sometimes mainstream media is not actually doing their part to educate the people and to tell the people what it is to be done. But fortunately, Kong Ungab, Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, Attorney Alvarez, and the rest already have done their part para kasuhan yung mga dapat kasuhan, and we are grateful for that. So we'll just wait and see what's gonna happen, and we'll see kung paano sasagutin ng Supreme Court. We are positive na magiging patas naman ang Supreme Court at gagawin nila yung kanilang mandato at yung kanilang dapat gawin na trabaho para makasuhan na ang dapat makasuhan. I mean, ma-convict ang dapat ma-convict kasi nakasuhan na nga, di ba? So, we'll wait what's gonna happen next. And I will give you a heads up. And again, thank you for our new followers and subscribers to RJYC Vlog. In my YouTube channel, RJYC Vlog, and Facebook account, RJYC Vlog. Again, thank you. Bye-bye!